Tonic fam, Cro fam, I am back with another video for you guys. This is why you just hold, man. Like, really, this is a perfect example of why you just hold, man. I haven't spoken about Tonic on the channel in a bit, guys, but you know, my bag is just chilling. You know, whatever happens to my bag, I won't worry about it till the next bull cycle is here, man, because a lot of projects will get that attention when the bull run is back. When the bull run is finally back, a lot of projects that you guys think aren't doing that great in price action. There's so many other projects that are coming out and going crazy. Don't worry, man. Your favorite altcoins that you hold will have their time to shine. If it's Cro, VVS, Tonic, if it's Vino, your favorite alts will have their time to shine going into the next bull cycle. And in the short term, you could see some spikes of volume coming in, some spikes of positive price action coming in the short term. But in the long term, when the entire market is bullish, there's a ton of new investors in the space. That's when you're gonna see the crazy explosions in these altcoins, man. And I think Tonic is gonna be one of them, right? I already gave so much of my thesis on why I think Tonic will be successful. We're gonna dive into that once again and go into some more detail in this video. So Tonic fam, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, watch the video until the end, guys. Share this video all over with the Tonic fam, make it go viral. Let's blow it up, man. As you guys can see, I've been doing live streams on the channel, and I take a look at the Tonic chart a few times because we got a few people from the Tonic community coming in and say, yo, look at Tonic, look at Tonic. And you can see right here Tonic is up 40% from this low, man, in just what, a few days. 40% move in a few days, sitting at 32.28 million market cap. And look at how the volume just instantly just came in to 286k in 24-hour trade volume for Tonic, right? Tokenomics for Tonic, not that bad because around half the supply is out. That's not terrible. There's projects that have 1% to 10% circulating. Almost half the supply of Tonic circulating is very bullish. And again, the top DeFi project on the crypto.com exchange, VVS Finance, again, that is super bullish, man. The crypto.com users, I did a recent search of it, crypto.com users, and the numbers shocked me, man. Look at this. This is showing 50 million customers, right? In a recent update, this is from last year. In a recent update, I'm seeing it's actually 80 million users that are using crypto.com. See, 70 million users, right? This is in November. So going into this year around this time period, from 50 million to 80 million users from this time frame, right? So the number of users in the crypto.com exchange just keeps rapidly growing. That's almost a third of the US population with 80 million users, right? Like population of the US, let's see, population of USA, look at this. So 331 million people as of 2021, and that's more than likely higher now because we're in 2023. And 70 million users, 80 million users are using crypto.com. So crypto.com is the go-to exchange for a lot of US users other than Coinbase. It's crypto.com and Coinbase and obviously Binance, but crypto.com has such a huge following. Again, the top DeFi or the top altcoins on crypto.com, in my opinion, Cro, Tonic, VVS, and you know, probably Vino, right? And I think it's gonna have its own bull cycle. There's gonna be the crypto.com bull cycle whenever there's new money that finally starts to come into the space. Right now it's very boring, it's very slow, but whenever there's new money that starts to come into the space, you're gonna see huge explosions. This 40% move is nothing, man. This 40% move we got for Tonic is absolutely peanuts for what I could expect in the future. Tonic has never seen a bull run yet. You know, again, it is the top DeFi project on crypto.com. We could take a look at DeFi Llama once again. I've ran through this, and I think whenever crypto.com starts to explode, remember Chronos chain, Number one DeFi project, Tonic, with $190.3 million in TVL. You know, still higher than VVS with $140.8 million in TVL. Absolutely insane numbers to think about. Absolutely insane numbers to think about, guys. So, $378 million in TVL. That TVL for Chronos, which is the blockchain for Crypto.com, similar to how Binance has BNB. This will just continue to grow the more people use Crypto.com exchange. It just will, right? And the top DeFi protocols in the ecosystem, in my opinion, will continue to grow as the the number of users come to Crypto.com. Excuse me. The number of users come to Crypto.com. We see the bull run happen, and all of a sudden people are switching to risk on assets. Right now, it's a ton of risk off. People don't want to invest. There are a bunch of people that are sidelined. You know, crypto is super boring. Nobody wants to buy, but you know, there's people that are smart. There's people that are smart. They were waiting for, you know, they were waiting for Tonic to drop to a certain level to start buying, right? And this is what I'm saying. There's people that are accumulating. There's people that are getting out of the project, that are moving on from the project, but there's smart people that are accumulating. There always are, and those are the ones that's gonna be winning, man. That's why I say DCA into DCA on the way down, DCA on the red days, right? You know, now that Tonic is up 40%, I bet you there's people that are buying back in, and you know, and they had their bag just chilling, right? DCA, get a bag that you're happy with, and then just hold it in your DeFi wallet and just wait. That's all. Wait until the bull cycle, or just keep DCAing, right? But you know, just invest an amount that you're okay with losing. Obviously, don't go overboard if you know you can't afford it. But after you finish DCAing, like a lot of us aren't traders, you just be patient after that, man. That's really all it takes to get gains, man. Purists, get ready for the drop. Hope not. Suitor, another green day. Let's hope this can continue for a while. I can only imagine what this beast will do when they actually let it out of its cage and list it on more exchanges, etc. But for now, I'm happily accumulating and earning on my borrows. Tonic, now is the perfect time for the exchange listing. Pax feels good. Crypto man, new listing on VVS Finance is why it's pumping. Yay. Avi, I'm bullish on Tonic. Shango, very true. The average total value lock time for Tonic is 3 years. John Barrows, billions held and will hodl for the next 5 years. You see, that's how you do it. Oh, I gotta sign in. If I could, I would heart your comment, John. But that's how you gotta do it. He got his bag. Now he's just gonna relax. That's it. Not gonna overthink. None of that, right? Obviously, if you want to diversify into other projects, smart thing to do. Get a bag of this, bag of that, bag of that. Wait until the bull run, and it's that simple at this point. Jazzy, three zeros away from amazing. Awesome stuff. We take a look at the official Tonic Twitter. Stay tuned for find out more about the partnership with Ka-Ching. Hang on tight, Tonic Army. We are about to erupt. We are thrilled to announce our partnership with Tonic. As a part of this partnership, Tonic will commit Cro to the Ka-Ching platform. As per tradition, $200 worth of KCH is up for grabs. And Tonic is making partnerships with a ton of projects as well, right? We saw it made partnerships recently with a few projects when I last covered it. Litecoin is now live on Tonic. Look at that, another listing, man. Another project listing for the Tonic platform. Super bullish stuff. Unleash the power of XRP and reap the rewards. There are several exciting ways to maximize the potential of your borrowed assets on Tectonic. Are you ready? See a shout for Tectonic Tuesday. Tectonic boosts your XRP exposure, provide liquidity on VVS, buy on FLP on Fulcrum, and you know, multiple different ways to earn passive income through the platform, guys. Tonic Army, have you heard? We are proud to be featured as a part. Look at, and that's another thing as well too. Okay, this is what I'm pointing out. Cro, the actual Chronos chain, will keep sharing Tonic. That's like free marketing. So everybody in Chronos more than likely is gonna get exposure to Tonic. as Chronos grows, you're gonna just see. It's like, for example, what's a good example of this, man? Let me see. I don't want to use meme coins as an example, but if you take a look at Shiba started to explode, and then they had Kishu and Feg and a few other meme coins that, as the more Shiba exploded, they exploded as well. So that's what I see with Tonic, man. So they will be featured participating on DApps, among many other DApps on the Chrono Summer Cruise campaign. Nice stuff. This is bullish. Unveil the Chrono Summer Cruise powered by Galaxy. Okay, man. Explore the wonders of Chronos. Look at that. And they got a blog post on it too. Awesome. Let me continue reading how it works. There's an airdrop, NFTs, and you got their point system. Interesting stuff. And the Cro fan, now you can effortlessly stake Cro via Trust Wallet. Chrono staking is now available on Trust Wallet. Nice. Very, very nice stuff. Zygomatic. You can find a mysterious chest in the middle of nowhere. It contains gold, diamonds, 1 million Cro, 100 billion Tonic. What's your choice? You can only choose one. Let me know in the comment section what you guys choose. Shango, the art of coin market cap exposure 101. Tectonic is available on crypto.com app. Shango right here looking like he cracked the code to market Tonic on CMC. Tonic is up 25%, available on crypto.com app. Has recently added many cryptos to its money market for investors, XRP, Litecoin, to earn APY or take out loans against collateral. Which crypto would you like to see added next? Recently added Litecoin, Cardano, Atom, Cro. Which coin would you like to be added here? Here are my favorites: GTC, Jasmine, Doge. Very smart, and you can see the engagement, man. That's what I said. It's a community, man. Once you got a base community in a project, anything is possible. From Faithful, Tectonic on Coinbase, Tonic Monday, nice trajectory. Tectonic is moving up, being tracked on Coinbase. Still think the potential for a listing is not out of the cards. Anything is possible. How do you feel about Tectonic this week? And a lot of people giving that thumbs up, the thumbs up, and the volcano emoji, man. But yeah, guys, super bullish stuff that we're seeing for Tonic. New listing of Litecoin, participating in this the Chrono Summer Cruise, Tech Tuesdays, community still being active, and again, 40% move to the upside, right? Awesome stuff. Very bullish. Tonic is absolutely gonna crush it with Cro and the other top alts in the Cro ecosystem. I have no doubt in my mind about that, because crypto.com is so huge, right? So many users. Bull run is about to get crazy, right? Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, share it with the rest of the Tonic community, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.